Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Mazda CX-7 Luxury Sports, stock reference number 4818. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left power door mirror, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, bumper cover, light scratch on it, tow bar cutout, aftermarket Hayman Reese tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has one dent, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors and guard all appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.